Welcome everyone, it's the weekend, and like most days, if you're anything like me, you're probably asking yourself, how can I attract more traffic, leads, and sales? That is what we need to have a successful business. We need more traffic, we need more leads, and when we get those two, we can transfer that into actual money for our business. So what if you could instantly take advantage of the most powerful marketing method ever created? I mean, the most powerful one. Hands down, nothing in the history of the world has been more powerful than the power of free. What? Why would that be the most powerful marketing method in the history of the world? If I type free into Google and I go over to tools, I can see that there is 16,470,000,000 results. Well, why is that important? Because there is less than 4 billion websites on the planet. And that means an average of 4 pages per website that is showcasing free things. There is no more better proof than that to demonstrate that what I'm saying, that the power of free is the biggest attractor. It is the biggest marketing method of them all. If I type in news, which is just about one of the most massive topics for us human beings, there's 9,570,000,000 pages. Do you understand that? A full 7 billion more pages on the word free than there is news. So that is why we put together something for you that will capture the power of free and point more traffic, more leads, and more sales directly to your business. Now, what if we could leverage other people's audience? It's hard enough to get people to pay attention to what we're doing. What if you can get other people's audience, the eyeballs and the attention of other people's people to focus on your offer? That would be pure marketing magic. And what if we can turn it all into a viral traffic machine? So we've created a marketplace where you can leverage other people's audience. We've created a marketplace that has zero to pay. There's nothing on the planet that people like more than to get valuable resources and pay zero. But we're not done. We're going to turn all of that into a viral referral machine so that other people are going to drive traffic for you. Wait a minute, we're not done then. We're going to create a lead capture system so they'll capture the leads. We're going to give you an internal messaging system so you can message your leads. There is nothing like this on the market. There are tools that do about 10% of this. There are tools that do 20 to 25% of this. There is no tool like this on the market that puts this kind of marketing power in your hands. Okay, so you see, I've added a whole bunch of products here, but let me just start by showing you what that looks like. So if I wanted to give this product away for free, I can put multiple images there so you can see, so you could really show people what it is. We can put the description here, and how to get this product for free is the person has to copy the link and they get 3 friends to come over here and claim this product, to sign up. Simple as that. Now let me explain something to you about referral software. Let's just go to one software, okay? Like there's so many. Look at basic, $249 a month, $399 a month. Do you understand? Referral Rock pricing, $175 a month, $350 a month. Why do you think those software charge that? Because this works like marketing magic on steroids. Okay, so you can see all your leads. You can see leads by product. You can hook it up to your autoresponder. And we have an internal messaging system, as you can see here, which I'll talk about a little bit later. There's other features, a start date and an end date to your call. You can put countdown timers. There is seriously nothing like it on the marketplace. Why not even give you more traffic by allowing people to go through the offers that are on the website, and you can get traffic from other people? There is nothing like this on the market. And you can go through and you can check out all of this awesomeness again, and then you can come down here and you can see, well, we're not charging $179 a month or $399 a month like the examples I showed you. There is a limited use, which is 100% free. Everybody else is charging a high monthly fee for only a small part of what we offered you here. So $15 one time, or if you want to remove all the limits. So you got the ZeroPay Store growth, which gives you more campaigns, more leads, and more features for a one-time cost of $15, or you get the ZeroPay Store Ultimate. So basically it has all the features and no limits. Unlimited giveaways, unlimited leads, all of the features, particularly this one here, internal messaging system. You have your autoresponder integration. However, if you want to message people internally right inside the system, this is a massively valuable add-on right here. So we offer you a 2-year performance guarantee. What does that mean? Is it going to end after 2 years? No, but we want you to have peace of mind. Okay? I'm going to promise you, anything happens inside the 2-year period of time, whether the software does not work exactly like we've shown you here, I'm going to give you a full refund. Nobody does this. We're going to be around for years and years and years and years, but nobody gives you a 2-year performance guarantee. It's unheard of. So you got this marketing powerhouse that is not available anywhere else with a performance guarantee that is not available from anyone else. So you click the button that makes the best sense for your business, and I'll see you on the inside.